In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely reset your website on HostGator. This involves backing up important website files and databases, deleting old files, and setting up a clean slate for your site, ensuring it's ready for a fresh start. Let's begin with one of the most crucial steps, backing up. Before you make any changes to your website, always create backups of all essential website files and databases. This serves as a safety net, allowing you to restore your site to its previous state if anything goes awry. You can manually download your files via an FTP client or use any backup feature provided by your hosting platform. Similarly, make sure to also export your databases, saving them securely on your local drive. Trust me, when it comes to safeguarding your hard work, you can never be too careful. Now that you have your backups safely stored, it's time to log into your HostGator cPanel. Once you're logged in, make your way to the File Manager. The File Manager is your centralized location for document management, where you can view, upload, and edit your website's files. Here, you're going to systematically delete all website files. This includes everything within the public/HTML directory, ensuring you clear out all existing data. Be cautious during this step. Ensure you are not accidentally deleting files critical to other active domains you might be managing. With the files out of the way, it's now time to focus on your databases. Head over to phpMyAdmin, or if available, the MySQL databases section in cPanel. These tools allow you to manage your databases in a user-friendly environment. You're going to safely drop all existing databases associated with your site. Remember, you're wiping the slate clean, so double check that you're only deleting the right databases. This step effectively removes all the data stored in your website's backend, preventing any lingering issues once you reinstall your systems. After clearing everything out, move forward with reinstalling your content management system. Whether it's WordPress, Joomla, or any other, ensure you upload fresh and clean files. If you prefer a particular setup, now is the perfect time to implement it. You can either use a fresh installation package from the CMS's official site, or upload a clean copy that you know is free of any previous mistakes or unwanted modifications. Lastly, it's important to clear any caches and verify that your reset website is completely clean. Many CMS platforms come with built-in cache systems to speed up your site, but these can sometimes lead to conflicts if old cache data remains after a reset. Check for any caching plugins or settings, clear out